Hi friends, let me show you this new Pets bowl set that I received for reviewing purposes. It is saying basically for dogs or cats, but you could also use it for other kind of pets like rabbits maybe, okay? It is a 3-in-1 set, let me show you. These are the stainless steel bowls for dry and wet food. And this is a 30 ounces water supply bottle, okay? To start with, you could fill this base with sand or any solid material, not water. So it will have a weight and it will make it unturnable, okay? So you can fill it up with sand and the base will be really, really firm. Okay? It has this metal small bowl that will keep water from running out. And you can set it at the height that your pet will be more comfortable with, okay? Put water through this hole. Let's do it. Okay. And water will flow. It will stop when your pet is not there. So the water will be fresher and ready to use by your pet, okay? And also, as they are stainless steel, you can take them off and put them in your dishwasher. So it's very convenient to clean them. You could use this part for wet food and this one is for dry food, okay? So when you're ready, you can have your pets using it really comfortable. They could drink water here. If you want it to be higher, you can do it. And it has some, it's not on the floor level, so the neck of your pets will be more comfortable when they want to use it, okay? So you can see your pets can use it really comfortably and it looks nice wherever you want to put it. So I think it's a great option for your house. If you have 1, 2, or 3 pets, even either dogs, cats, or some other kind of pets like rabbits. So perfect. Thank you so much.